Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can take long exposure shots over on iPhone. So in order to do this, what you first need to do is head over to your camera, of course. So just make sure to head over to that camera app just like this. Once you've done that, what you need to do is make sure that live photo is enabled. You can do this by the top right corner of your screen by clicking on that, and then it will say live. Now you can just start making your photo just like this. And basically once you've done that, what you can simply do is head over to that photo preview. What you then need to do is go to the top left corner of your screen and click on that live icon. And then you can change it to long exposure just like this. Once that's loading for a few seconds, it will turn into a long exposure shot, as you guys can see right now. And that's basically all you need to do in order to take long exposure shots over on the iPhone. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.